I just got this new kitchen runner rug and I'm absolutely loving this thing because this is a stain resistant durable rug made with polyester, so it's so soft and comfortable. Literally when I'm walking on this thing, it feels like I'm walking on a cloud. And as you can see, I have hardwood floors, so cooking in the kitchen, my feet can strain if I don't have slippers on or something like that. Now stepping on this, it literally just feels like a cloud. I can't describe how good this actually feels on your feet. And it has like a crunched up kind of polyester material, like microfiber. And when you step on it, there's just a nice cushion going all the way through. I love the color. This is the beige. I actually ended up getting the 2x7 model because my kitchen space isn't super wide, so I couldn't fit 2 rugs. But honestly, this one rug fits perfectly. This rug actually has a really nice absorbency on it too. So it's perfect for like kitchens or laundry rooms or anything where spills can be somewhat frequent because this thing is really easy to clean. You can actually machine wash this, which makes it so nice. So if you're in the kitchen, you do spill something, throw it in the washing machine and this thing's gonna be good as new afterwards. Another good thing I like about it is it has a TPR backing. It's gonna be slip resistant and this is a really nice rubber material. Honestly, I love when companies do this with rugs because it just makes it so nice. So as you can see, like if you're pushing it, sliding it, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna bunch up. Wherever you put it, it's gonna stay. And that's super important. If you are cooking in the kitchen, you're carrying a pot or anything that could spill some water from the stove to the sink to dump it out, you do not want to slip. You don't want it to be a hazard. This TPR is going to keep you really safe. This is going to help ensure that you're going to have a safe cooking experience, especially if you have kids running around in the kitchen while you're cooking. This is going to really help prevent slips. So this rug comes in a bunch of different colors and sizes to fit any home or kitchen, laundry room, whatever you're going to be using this for. I'm sure you're going to be able to find the color that matches. You have to check this out for yourself. It is so soft and feels amazing on your feet. My wife absolutely loves this rug, so I know you guys will too. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.